Hey guys, you are watching the Roman Clay channel. In this video, I'm making an Assassin's Drillman and a Clockwoman from the multiverse of Skibidi Toilet. Thanks for the like and comment. Assassin Drillman. Assassin Drillman is the elite and secret member of the Drillmen faction. He makes his debut in episode 026. He saves a group of cameraman, including Plungerman and surviving Drillmen, when they were attacked by the Minigun Cyclope Skibidi Toilet and were forced to hide in the escape tunnel. Assassin Drillman is a character equipped with steel armor and acts as an assassin in the series. He wears a black hood over his head and black cargo pants with some sort of metal wrapping around them. He has a highly advanced drill in his left arm, and he has an advanced claws in his right arm. He carries a teleportation cube with him in case of possible situations for quick escapes and entrances. Also, on his back, he has an image of the Persian god Pharaoh. Assassin Drillman has great physical combat. His speed and agility are better than many characters in the series, and he can use the claws and drill in his arms for scaling rocks and supposedly walls, and for hand-to-hand combat, like when defeating the Buzzsaw Mutant Skibidi Toilet. Clockwoman. The Clockwoman is a female member of the Clockman race. She is like the other Clockmen, having a time manipulation ability. However, she uses a time gun, which she uses to freeze time to her target, such as the Skibidi Toilets as an example. Clockwomen also have ability to reverse time to revive that person, similar to Torsion Pendium Clockman, but has a more stronger effect. She also has an ability when she touches a person. That person can become extremely fast, their movements are sped up as seen in episode 022. However, it possibly can only be applied to one person at a time. The Clockwoman, just like the other Clockmen, has a unique head that differentiate each other. She has one main clock and 2 other clocks, most likely. A brownish top hat with a clock attached to it, a gun holster, which users put her gun, a grey dress with 3 tapers on her chest, and a high collar. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like it. Write in the comments what other characters to make